Hi, my name is Mathy. Welcome to the African Fashion Guide Conference. I am outside Rich Mix in Shoreditch, and we're about to go inside, so come with me. African products and to the product itself, and it's been some really amazing, interesting conversation. We've had people like Anna Gret, Samson Saboye, Rosario Dawson. We've had so many interesting people. Even CSR manager from H&M who's actually planning to move to Ethiopia. So there's been some really, really interesting stories. Now we're going to go out and we're going to talk to loads of people, ask them what they think of the event, what's going on, what they'd like to see happen at the Fashion Africa conference, and we'll see you guys later. Okay, yes. Thank you for inviting me to the new African Fashion Market panel, and I'm proud to be here. I'm founder of the platform African Fashion Day. It's a business platform in frame of investment fashion and premium exhibition. The idea behind African Fashion Day Berlin is to be part of the fashion industry. We want to create the relationships between designers, buyers, between designers and fashion players.
So my name's Pham-Tran and I'm the founder and managing director of this fashion.
Really want to hear more about what it's all about. Studio 189, how did you come about getting involved into African Fashion Guide? And yeah, go for it. Tell me.
Well, we've been friends since we were teenagers, and we've been friends for a long time. We love each other. We wanted to do something together. And then I invited this amazing young woman over here to Midnight. She's 12. And she's so not, but she speaks multiple languages. She's way cooler than me. It's okay. I can unpack her on her. She came with me to the Congo. I asked her if she would come to the DRC.
You went to my country?
I asked her if she would come to DRC, and she was like, sure. No, I didn't even ask anybody else, and I don't even know, but she called my bluff and she was like, absolutely. And all of a sudden, we're on this really incredible, tumultuous journey to get there, including everything from trying to get a visa to airport shutting down. And when we got out there, it was just this really powerful experience. I'm on the board of V-Day. We're opening up the City of Joy. It was just this space that was created and developed and built by women there. And it's a space for healing and development and artisanal skills and agricultural skills and all these different types of things for women who've been raped and re-raped and given them a second lease on life. Yeah. And we were just really moved and impacted by it. Just seeing, the contribution that we could make to the effort that they were putting in, and realizing and seeing so much of ourselves in it, and recognizing really only the difference anywhere that you go in the world between any person is just opportunity. And when you give people that opportunity, how they rise to the challenge, including seeing this incredible space, the City of Joy, and seeing what these women built. And these are people who are being forgotten, and this is a civil war that's raging on. People are ignoring it, and look at how much power is there. And so we really were very inspired by that and compelled by it. And it's so funny because I was just saying a second ago, I feel like we're over 2 years old now. And it just is such a funny thing that I feel like I'm only just now starting to realize that we just joined and became entrepreneurs and started a business, because that just wasn't what I was thinking about when we started. And it was, this is the first time for me I'm doing something that has a social impact that's a for-profit business. Eventually I'll be for-profit. It's just really remarkable and really, really powerful. And we, again, it's not charity because we're rising up to the challenge as well. And we're seeing all of us are doing that. We're all compelling each other and motivating each other and pushing each other. And it's challenging for all of us, but we all see the bigger picture. And so it's about not creating this situation around the world, but creating partnership. And we're doing that with each other, and we're doing it with the women and men that we work with. And now we're based in Ghana. And it's just been really powerful. We are an e-commerce platform that represents different artisanal lines, and we have our own line as well that we make in Ghana, mostly in Ghana, and it's been amazing.
Hey guys, it's been an amazing day. We have had some of the most amazing people walk through the door. Just want to say super thank you to Jackie Shaw for organizing this wonderful event, African Fashion Guide Conference 2015. The feedback has been amazing, stupendous, and there's been so much input on how it could be improved next year, what people want to see, the growth of it all. The thing I can recommend you to do is stay in touch, hashtag FAConf 2015 at African Fashion Guide on Twitter, and stay in touch with us. Stay connected, be proud, African Rising. This is the revolution.